I'll tell you a lot of backup things. 6. Good job. Oh, yay, that was good. When a dog doesn't pay attention to a distraction, I click that all the time. And that's very nice. You ready? 6. Yay, good job. Okay? Good. So let's play the touch game. Let me get my hand real smelly. Good. I'm not going to say touch yet. Good. I'm just going to show it. Well, open your mouth. Hi there, Puppy. Come here. Let me get some more cheese, Diane. Diane is my ex-sister-in-law. I'm so close to her.
She's wonderful.
And when she was married to my brother, okay, listen, this is so funny. When she was married to my brother, her name was Diana Gardana Lana. That's right, yeah. But you couldn't take it anymore.
Did you still on it?
Yeah, we'll just take it for another one. So you just hold your hand out from your face. Make sure they touch it. You don't want them looking or biting it.
I saw a video on YouTube where the guy instead of giving him a chair pen would just sort of drop it in front of her. Is that what do it right in front of me.
Put your hand out. Just go to it like this.
Now, do you think she thinks she's getting a treat for sitting or for touching?
So the clip